girlfriend Reena, and I am back after a solid, I want to say like around 2-3 weeks ke baad, and I am so sorry. By now we all know 2024 is not my year and I'm really trying to make it mine. However, August thoda extra crazy tha, but honestly I want to say, or I want to be delusional and believe ki for good reasons. And yes, I am back, so yay! And of course ये वीडियो मुझे चालू करना था कुछ empties के साथ, because I can't believe, like, can you see, मेरे पास एक पूरी बैग भरी हुई है empties की. मेरे पास बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स है. इसमें मेकअप है, स्किन केयर है, हेयर केयर, एक्चुअली यू नो व्हाट, बहुत ज़्यादा हेयर केयर है. So yes, about time I finally share with you some of my empties, and I'm gonna give you my mini short honest reviews. So I hope you enjoy this video, and without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Let's go. Well, let's start this video with our homegirl Malvika Satlani's Masic Beauty. This, you guys, is the Masic Beauty Lavender Rose Skin Luxe Body Oil. Now, I love body oils. I just cannot imagine my life without it. And this is coming from someone who hated applying body lotions because you know how greasy and sticky it is. But after losing weight and then gaining now again and just kind of being in between spaces, massaging my body has really come through for my loose skin. But this product, इसमें काफी अच्छी ingredient list है. इसमें हमें coconut oil मिलता है, almond oil मिलता है, squalane oil भी है, olive squalane, as well as sunflower oil. तो ingredient list काफी अच्छी है, काफी simple है. Talking about the product itself, I really enjoyed it. It was very lightweight. Skin में बहुत अच्छे से melt in हो जाता था. I used to love to use this immediately after my showers. However, packaging थोड़ी cheap है, but also इसका price point, even though they're calling it luxe and everything, it's not that crazy. मेरे पास जो Biotin का oil था, body oil, मैंने I think around 180-150 का खरीदा था, whereas this was around 400 something. So I definitely see the difference, but in terms of how it felt on my skin, very lightweight. However, also packaging में I wish there was a lock ताकि I could easily travel with this. Overall, I really like the product itself. It's a really nice product, and if you're looking out for a good body oil, you should definitely consider this because इसमें बहुत सुंदर mild lavender fragrance है, which really calms down, and coming from someone who does not like floral scents, I really enjoyed this. Next up on the list we have is a Miniso skincare. Now this, you guys, is the Miniso under eye patches, and I really like them. I've never used under eye patches in the past life में बोलने वाली थी previously, because I feel it's kind of like a waste, and like who needs extra wastage and all things environmental related. But पता नहीं, I just kind of like gave into the trend and मैंने एक बार खरीद ही लिया. Of course, it's very hydrating on the skin, and just sometimes when you want that a little pick me up for yourself, this is a really good comforting product. Did it do something magical and extraordinary? Nahi. This is exactly what your normal skincare routine and your moisturizers and your eye creams would also do for you. Then of course, moving forward, I have not one but two makeup removers, and both of these are my holy grail ones. Of course, to start off with, आपको तो पता ही है ये Garnier का micellar water काफी famous है, and सारे YouTubers के empties में ये तो होना ही चाहिए. इसके बिना तुम YouTuber कैसे हो सकते हो? And this little bottle lasted me for a solid month and a half, which I am impressed because I am someone who wears makeup every single day, and it was a really good one, and I really enjoyed this. With that being said, as you know, this is the Garnier micellar regular variant, as in इससे waterproof makeup ये कहते हैं कि नहीं निकलता, but honestly मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं होती है except for that waterproof mascara. Oh my god, waterproof mascaras are a nightmare, and to come through and save the day, I love using this one. ये काफी पुराना है, ये Maybelline का Total Clean makeup remover है. ये डुअल फॉर्म में है. नीचे आपको वाटर बेस मिलेगा एंड ऊपर आपको ऑयल बेस मिलेगा. यू हैव टू लाइक शेक इट रियली वेल. आई डोंट लाइक हाउ ऑयली इट लीव्स माई स्किन, सो आई यूज टू नॉट प्रिफर यूजिंग दिस ऑल ओवर माई फेस. हाउएवर फॉर माई मस्कारा, oh my god, melts my mascara like that. So this is like my mostly go-to eye and lip makeup remover, whereas this is more of my full face makeup remover, and I really enjoy both of these. I'm not sure अगर ये मिलता है कि नहीं, because मैं इसको सिर्फ अपने eyes and lips के लिए use करती हूँ. One bottle lasts me like 2 to even 3 years. I'm not sure about the expiry, and honestly I don't want to find out. So yes, अभी भी इसमें थोड़ा बाकी है. I can easily use this for another week. And moving forward, let's talk about it. Ta-da! This is the Yardley English Lavender Deodorant Roll-On, and this is an antiperspirant deodorant which is alcohol free. First of all, I was definitely looking for a roll-on which is antiperspirant. Now if you don't know what an antiperspirant deodorant is basically something that is going to stop you from sweating, and the other deodorants are mostly like if you sweat you will smell good, you know, those are the like the major differences. Talking about this one, first of all I love the packaging. It's so heavy in a like a good way. Also इसमें काफी product मिलता है. At the same time this is one of those deodorants जो आप shaving के बाद भी use कर सकते हो. It's not going to like irritate your skin or burn your skin, and it neither did darken my skin by any means. I really enjoyed this. It lasted me throughout the day. It doesn't feel icky. It dries off very quickly. अब चलो थोड़ा बात करते हैं hair care products के बारे में. To start off with, I just got done with these beauties right here. This is from the house of Be Blunt. Now when it comes to Be Blunt, I have honestly not had the best of experience with it. However, now let's talk about the products itself. The shampoo I really loved. I loved the shampoo. It was very nice on my skin. Oh, by the way, this is from their Intense Moisture shampoo range. So I have the shampoo as well as the conditioner. Talking about the shampoo, absolutely loved it. Really did wonders. Did not weigh down my hair, but at the same time was definitely moisturizing and hydrating. However, I love to use this with my L'Oreal conditioner, and that duo was everything. I did speak about this duo in my favorite hair care products as well. अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखा है, मैं उसको डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी लिंक कर दूंगी and यहाँ पे स्क्रीन पे भी दे दूंगी. तो you know you can definitely check out some of my favorite hair care products. But yeah, shampoo, love it. The conditioner, however, I really tried to like it because you know it says it is going to be deeply nourishing and going to add shine, and it also has jojoba oil as well as vitamin E, but I don't know what it was. It did not work. If anything, it dried out my hair, and I don't know how does a conditioner manage to do that. And every time I use this in conjunction of this, it's a bad hair day. It is a bad hair day. Like had I used the duo together in the first go itself, मैं तो ये शैम्पू को भी hate करती. But somehow मैंने conditioner को बाद में use किया because I wanted to finish off the conditioner I already had, and I ended up using the shampoo along with that, and I absolutely loved the shampoo. This I don't like, and this together absolutely don't like. Do not recommend. काफी hair को dry करेगा यार, and I don't see this honestly working out for anyone as a duo. Now that I am you know really curbing down मेरे shopping habits, because मैंने consciously एक decision किया है कि मुझे सबसे पहले अपने पास जो सामान है उसे खत्म करना है, और उसी के बाद मैं नया सामान खरीदूंगी. With that being said, ये product मेरे पास पता नहीं कितने अरसों से था, and honestly I still love it. I still absolutely love this. If you know, I'm a through and through toner girl, and this is the Himalaya toner. I have gone through bottles of this. I absolutely love this. ये हमेशा मेरे फ्रिज में पड़ा रहता है. So cheap. It's just I think for 195 rupees. I mean, are you kidding me? उसमें तो क्या ही मिलता है. But yeah, absolutely love this, and this is also alcohol free, and ये सारे skin tone को सूट करता है. तो be it dry, normal, oily, you will love this, and I honestly think you should get your hands on this. I just like to pour some on my hand because इसको कुछ pump वगैरह वैसे है नहीं, तो बस थोड़ा सा ले लो and just tap it on my face, and it's a good day. I will definitely repurchase this. I will always continue to repurchase. This is just my comfort product. Remember मैंने आपको कहा था कि I'm a through and through body oil girly now, and from the person who used to hate putting anything on her skin because of how chip it feels, I honestly feel I've come a long way. With that being said, other body oil that I ended up finishing is this beauty right here. This is from the house of Biotique, and it is their anti-aging after bath body oil. काफी fancy नाम दिया है उन्होंने, and हे प्रभु हे परमेश्वर, ये इतना I don't want to say it is thick, but it is definitely thicker than Mason Beauty for sure. But as a result, ये इतना लंबा चला है, मैं परेशान हो गई इस तेल से. Because you know when you look at it, I'm just like, you know, with somebody like my body, I was like, I can easily finish this in like a month or two. No, I was wrong. I was so wrong on so many grounds. ये ऑयल खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है भाई. मैंने इतनी कोशिश की इसको खत्म करने की, ये खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा था. But honestly, yes, it is a little chip, but not in like a bad way. I mean, yeah, I know chip is a bad thing, but this is an oil I prefer using in winters, is what I'm trying to say. Because you know, in winters, thoda sa isko le lo, and I like to mix in with some cinnamon essential oil and just nicely rub it in my palms and just apply it all over. So thoda cinnamony, of course, scent aata hai, but it feels really nice and refreshing. And will I repurchase this? I think I will only repurchase this because of how inexpensive this is. That's all the reason I will go ahead and repurchase this. And of course, its ingredients काफी अच्छी थी. And now, honestly, I can't say these are like makeup empties, but it's about time to throw them. And also, I have easily hit pan on these, and I'm kind of bored of them, to be honest, because I've had these products for a really long time, longer than most of my friendships at this point. Yeah, you know, that's sad but true, but sad. Anyways, I have so many products to talk about. Let's start off with this one right here. Oh my god, this is the Nykaa Compact. It's their all day matte compact, and this is my second one, and I loved this. I love this compact. Now, I am someone with a dry skin type, and when I heard that it's a all day matte compact, I thought, oh my god, it's going to be like super drying. Absolutely not. It did not dry out my skin. It was still matte, and I really enjoyed it. It has a very decent coverage, like almost low to a little bit coverage, and I really didn't mind that. Now the one that I have is in the shade 04 Sand, but yeah, really enjoyed this. If you are a college going girl looking for a really nice compact that is affordable and does the job and has a good shade option, you can easily go ahead with this. Next one, oh my god, I cannot believe I'm throwing this because of how obsessed I am with this product. But I think now nobody's talking about it because of how old this launch is and how old, I mean, people are done with this product. However, I was it, and I'm talking to you about this duo. Oh my god, this is like 2019 in a thumbnail, if I may. This is the Wet n Wild duo, and oh my god, like this was out of stock everywhere, like trust me, everywhere. The yellow banana powder was my hands down favorite. Such a beautiful formula, would really like blur and smooth out my skin like nobody's business. And then of course we have the bronzer as well, and this was like my go-to duo. I would not travel with the compact, I would only travel with this. And as you can see, ये बहुत बड़ा pan है, तो it's not an easy job to finish this up, but I still did. And I'm kind of bored of it, and which is why I'm throwing it away, because anyways वो banana powder तो खत्म हो चुका है, because like hardly कुछ बचा है. And of course there's bronzer, but I'm like you know, I want to try new bronzers now. So yeah, which is why I'm going to give this one up. But if I ever go back in time and if somebody tells me, do you want to buy this again, I will hands down buy this again. I absolutely love this product. Now talking about bronzer, someone who is terrible at shade matching my foundation, I need a good highlighting concealer and I need a good bronzer to save the day, and this one, oh my god, this is such an old one, and I remember I was so happy when I first got it. It's one of my first ever bronzers, I want to say, and wow, this baby has seen a lot of days, a lot of good and bad days. इसका तो मुझे दिख भी नहीं रहा मैंने कब खरीदा है इसको, but it's a very old bronzer. This is from the House of Makeup Revolution. It's their Ultra Bronze, and oh my god, the shade on here is perfecto, because it's not too orange, not too grey, not too purple. It's the perfect brown for my skin. No matter if I'm tan, no matter if I'm fair, no matter what color my skin is, this would always suit me, simply because this is a neutral undertone bronzer, which I wish the drugstores give us more options. Because I don't know, मुझे हुला का भी इतना पसंद नहीं है, simply because कभी कभी मुझे वो ग्रे लगता है मेरे फेस पे, but इसके साथ मुझे कभी वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी. And it is such a beautiful formula. I mean, it blends beautiful. It is one of those cream to powder finishes, and it's just beautiful, guys. It's just absolutely beautiful. To keep things entertaining, now let's talk about some perfumes. If you know me through and through, you know I am a definite definite body mist and a perfume galley, and of course I have not one or two but actually three empties to share. Now let me quickly talk to you about these two products. Now these are my favorite body mists of all times. One is from the house of Bath and Body Works and is their gingham one, and oh my god, so many people have complimented me on this and so many people have bought this because they tried this, they love this, and they definitely felt the need to have this in their closet. While this one is a through and through vanilla girly fragrance. It's so girly, so sweet, it's almost nauseating how sweet this is, but I have no complaints. I absolutely love this. It's from the house of Body Fantasies, and if you want to know more about these, I actually recently did a video all about my favorite body mists under a budget. I will leave the video in the description and up on the screen for you to watch, but yeah, love this to say the least. However, moving forward to this beauty right here, as you can see, it's a clear empty and it happens to be from the house of Body Cupids, and this is their aqua variant, and oh wow, I love this. This is my hands down favorite variant, and also I love the packaging. It is one of those essentials that have always been in my handbag, which is why I ended up finishing this one. But yeah, absolutely love this through and through. Again, मैंने aqua Body Cupids के बारे में भी वीडियो किया हुआ है, जिसका लिंक मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगी एंड ऑल्सो स्क्रीन पे. Another makeup empty, and this, you guys, oh my god, this invention changed the game for me. It changed the game for me, and this is from the house of Insight, and it's their concealer in the shade, I have no idea because इसका स्टिकर निकल गया है, but this is the Insight HD concealer, and I mean, इसमें कुछ भी बचा नहीं है, like absolutely nothing. And this is my lighter shade concealer, and oh my god, I absolutely love this concealer. I am 110% going to repurchase this. मेरे पास इसका already एक और shade है जो मेरे skin tone का है, and this was like my lighter concealer, and because it's an HD concealer, does not crease, does not feel heavy or cakey. At the same time, आपका अगर कोई function है, कुछ photograph निकालना है आपको, आप easily इसके ऊपर rely कर सकते हो. ये easily blend भी हो जाता है, लेकिन आपको इसके साथ सिर्फ ब्रश या सिर्फ स्पंज ऐसा कुछ भी नाटक नहीं है, बस आप फिंगर से ब्लेंड कर लो and you can call it a day. It is that beautiful, and I absolutely love this concealer and will 110% keep repurchasing this unless and until I find another affordable favorite. Moving forward, I have a skincare empty. Now this, you guys, oh my god, I'm not sure if you can see. Yes, this is the Raga face mask. This is an infamous face mask for detanning your skin. It actually has a lot of kojic acid as well as milk in it, and it's a beautiful face mask. It's actually एक बड़ा डब्बा मिलता है आपको, but before I get to the big डब्बा, I thought let me just go ahead and try that travel size. So I got a pack of 5 of this. बट ट्रस्ट मी, ये एक पैकेट खत्म करने में मेरी नानी याद आ गई, बिकॉज आपको बहुत थोड़ा प्रोडक्ट लगता है इसके साथ एक तो, एंड दिस वन लिटिल पैकेट लास्टेड मी फॉर 4 uses. Yeah, like 4 uses, and it did not oxidize, it did not get bad. It was something I just store ऐसे, and मैंने उसके डब्बे में रख दिया था, and every time I would use it, I would be like still reaching out to the same sachet. मैंने actually आज सुबह इसको खत्म किया, and I was like finally I can talk about this in my empties today. So yeah, absolutely love this. If you're looking out for a kojic acid mask or like something to detan without irritating your skin, definitely go ahead with this. Moving forward, we also have a body care empty, and it's from the house of Dove, and this is their body wash. I actually got this छोटू sample size in one of my Amazon shopping. I can't believe अभी तो Amazon भी आपको samples देने लगा है, and initially मुझे लगा कि यार इसमें क्या ही दम है, ये 1-2 वॉश में खत्म हो जाएगा. पूरे 10 दिन लगे मुझे इसको खत्म करने, and oh my god, I really enjoyed this. It's, I mean, from the house of Dove. It's their body wash, and it's super hydrating, super nourishing, and I left this really nice mild scent on me, and I really enjoyed it. And the best part is, पता है, इसके ऊपर आप कोई भी fragrance लगा दो, it only enhances it, and yeah, absolutely no complaints. Really loved this, and if you are looking out for a good body wash that is going to like really give that mild fragrance, not too strong to an extent कि आपको migraine चढ़ जाए, तो आप definitely Dove के body washes को consider कर सकते हैं, because बहुत अच्छा है, especially now the fact that winter is going to come soon. डेफिनेटली कंसिडर। मैंने ये चीज़ की इतनी सारी बॉटल्स खत्म की है कि इट्स एम्बैरेसिंग टू टॉक अबाउट दिस एनी मोर। दिस इज फ्रॉम द हाउस ऑफ ट्रेसेमे। इट्स देयर बॉन्ड रिपेयर हेयर सीरम स्लैश ऑयल। फॉर सम रीजन आई कांट फाइंड द रीपर्चेज ऑफ दिस, बट या लाइक आई हैव गॉन थ्रू बॉटल्स। इन दिस मैंने अपना बस घर का एक कंकॉक्शन बना के तेल डाल दिया, सो दैट I can like use the whole dropper situation instead of like scratching it with my fingers. But yeah, so like again, the bottles are so good. I don't think this is plastic. I think this is kaach, but like a non-breakable kaach. So you can always repurpose these bottles, which I absolutely love. But yeah, 100% will repurchase this for the rest of my life because the Olaplex number 3, जिसका ये dupe है, वो इतना expensive है, and why would I buy that when I can buy this, girl? So yeah. Love this and will keep repurchasing this. And lastly, we have the product, and oh my god, this is from the house of Good Vibes and it's their orange gel. I love putting gels or sleeping masks on my face. Not only do I love to use the gel during the times when I'm breaking out and my skin feels really dehydrated and like like the sleeping mask, but I also love using this gel to shave my face. I don't like using oils. I don't like using any kind of creams. I feel it is too slippery, but at the same time I don't prefer dry shaving because that is very irritating for your skin. So the best of both worlds is using a gel, and I would love using this. And again, this lasted me forever. Like ये खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा था, बाद में मैं परेशान हो गई इससे, बट या अभी फाइनली खत्म इसको मैंने कर दिया है, एंड आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ मी कि मैंने इसको खत्म किया है. इफ यू आर समवन विद सेंसिटिव स्किन यू कैन कंसिडर दिस. इफ हाउएवर यू आर ओवरली सेंसिटिव टू फ्रेग्रेंसेस देन मे बी यू कैन स्किप दिस बिकॉज यस इसमें थोड़ा फ्रेग्रेंस तो जरूर है. दैट्स अ रैप फॉर टुडेज वीडियो. ये आई कांट बिलीव वी डिड इट. आई रियली होप आपको आज का वीडियो पसंद आया होगा, and if you did, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell notification so that you're updated every time I'm online. You can also follow me on my social media guys. Links भी उसके description में है. Really hope you enjoyed and मैं मिलूंगी आपको बहुत जल्द. Until then, bye.